Well, stocks rallied earlier today on word that senior advisor Steve Bannon is out of the White House. But it didn't last long as major averages wound up ending the day in the red. Joining me to talk about all of this, Ross Gerber, the CEO of Gerber Kawasaki. Great to have you here, Ross. So I want to show folks the chart of the day because it's confounding, my friend, and I want you to explain. So we got like a 90-point swing in the market when the word started trickling out that Bannon was leaving. And so it seemed like things were on the up, and then, boom, we started trading lower. Why? What was going on? What was in traders' minds today?
Well, it is Friday in the summer, and with Trump, it seems like every week is a new, I would say disaster that he's got to get himself out of. It's like a game almost. Last week it was North Korea. This week it's Bannon and the racists or whatever. But, we're so happy to see a move that refocuses the White House on the economic agenda of this nation. That is what they should be thinking about. So clearly the Goldman Sachs side of the White House won here. And look, Trump is more about money than anything else, so I'm sure he gets that. But then as we get towards the end of the day...
Ross, let me just ask you this, because I think the markets are very interested in tax reform and a lot of the reforms that the president has talked about over time. But do you think they have confidence it's going to happen? And isn't that why the market went down at the end of the day?
Absolutely, and that's why we've been selling as well. We have no confidence anything's going to happen at this point. I've never seen a more dysfunctional situation in the White House in my whole life. And they came in with all this promise, and we want to see it happen.
But we are seeing a whole new group of folks leading the path forward. I mean, look, at the end of the day, now you're going to have Mnuchin, now you're going to have Gary Cohn, all these former Goldman Sachs people. A person like you, somebody who's a financial advisor, a money manager, should be thrilled.
I am happy about the fact that Bannon's out. First of all, he wanted to attack China, which was not going to work out well for the United States and our economy. So I like a softer stance towards China.
He wanted to attack the economic policy, right? Wasn't that what it was about?
Yeah, but see, that's a dangerous game with our biggest trading partner in a lot of ways. So, I think we have the right people now to work on the economic agenda. But the issue we have is, will anything get done? And so far, Trump has done absolutely nothing but cause problems, and that's why we're selling on a Friday. It's hard to be confident going into the weekend.
We're going to watch that AT&T Time Warner merger. Didn't have time to talk about it today, but Ross, thanks for coming on. Appreciate your expertise.